If you are interested to grow flowers in your garden but facing trouble, then welcome to this guide on 15 easy flowers perfect for beginners. Let's start with number 1, Aster, a beautiful perennial that blooms from late summer through fall in shades of purple, pink, and white. And it grows in full sun to part shade, and here's helpful tip: plant it in spring and deadhead regularly to encourage more blooms while attracting butterflies and bees. So, perfect for summers. You will feel great while gardening these plants. The second one is Coreopsis, also known as thick seed, an other perennial that flowers all summer to fall in yellow, orange, and red. It loves full sun and tolerates drought and poor soil beautifully, so cut it in back in early summer for a long blooming season. There are very charming colors, and these are very eye-catching colors. These are perfect for your garden if you are struggling as a beginner. The third one flower is Cosmos. The Cosmos is an annual that blooms all summer in pink, white, and red. Direct sow these after frost in full sun, and remember to deadhead regularly to extend their blooming period. They are also fantastic for cutting. Their colors are like pinkish, are very eye-catching. It gives cool vibes, perfect for your garden. The number fourth is daffodils, perennial bulbs that burst open in early spring with yellow and white flowers. Plant these bulbs in fall about 6 to 8 inches deep in full sun to part shade. And the best part is they multiply every year and often naturalize in your garden. It's very important for your garden to bring life to your garden. Don't forget to grow this in your garden. So the next one is number fifth is marigolds. Marigolds are annuals blooming summer to fall in yellow, orange, and red. Direct sow them when the soil warms in full sun and choose dwarf varieties for containers. They are naturally pest resistant. Keep remember they are pest resistant, so they can fully grow in their blooming time. Again, these are perfect for your garden. The next one, number 6, is peonies. Peonies are stunning perennials with late spring blooms in white, pink, and red. They need full sun, and here's a crucial tip: plant the roots with the bud just 1 to 2 inches below the soil surface. Once established, peonies can live over 100 years. So don't move them. Don't move them. Simply plant in your garden. You will be great. The number 7 is petunias. Petunias are annuals that bloom from spring to fall in various colors, thriving in full sun to part shade. They are perfect for containers and hanging baskets, blooming through hot summers, though they do need regular watering. And sunflower, the watering level should be maintained. The number 8 is sunflowers. Sunflowers are iconic annuals with summer blooms in yellow, orange, and red. Their large seeds germinate quickly, so direct sow them about 1 inch deep in full sun. Keep remember, deep in full sun, but protect tall varieties from wind. They are perfect. Number 9, yarrow. Yarrow is a hardy perennial blooming summer in yellow, white, and red. It thrives in full sun and tolerates poor soil and drought amazingly well. With large flowers, head that makes excellent dried flowers. They are perfect for your garden due to their mesmerizing colors. Definitely, you will love it when you will grow it. The number 10 are zinnias. Zinnias are beginner friendly annuals with summer to fall blooms in a rainbow of colors. Direct sow after frost in full sun, and cutting flowers actually encourages more blooms to appear. If you handle your plant or flowers with careful care, then definitely you will get your desired results. The number 11 are cornflowers. Cornflowers are perennials blooming summer in purple, pink, white, and yellow. They are drought tolerant natives and let those seed heads from heads form in winter so birds can eat the seeds. They are pollinators, definitely, because plants are pollinators. The number 12s are Dianthus. Dianthus grows as an annual or biennial, blooming spring to summer in pink, white, and red. It loves full sun and works beautifully as a bedding plant or for rock gardens and edging, with lightly scented flowers. Their scents are very beautiful and attractive. You feel very calm. Number 13s are impatiens. Impatiens are shade loving annuals blooming spring to fall in various colors. They thrive in shade to part shade and produce continuous blooms without needing deadheading. Make them perfect for containers. If you have small containers in your garden or in your balcony, then just go for it. Grow it. Number 14 are morning glories. Morning glories are fast growing annual vines with summer blooms in blue, purple, white, and pink. They need full sun, self seed easily, and their flowers open early in the morning before closing by afternoon. Just provide them with support to climb. Don't forget to provide the support. The number 15 are statics. Statis blooms summer in purple, pink, white, and yellow as an annual or perennial in full sun. It's prolific without deadheading and is excellent for dried flowers. Harvest before the flowers are fully open for best results. This guide is perfect for you. If you like it, please do subscribe my channel to get more information for your garden. I would love to hear your